How to add music bot to Discord server. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser, tap on the search bar, and search for Discord bots. Now open up the first website. Now search for any music bot. For example, I will search for Crane bot. Now tap on it. Now click on invite. Now select your server and click on continue. Now tap on authorize. Now verify the CAPTCHA. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question on such topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.